This is the National Weather Service office in Grand Forks. This presentation concerns the upcoming ground blizzard that is anticipated to impact the Devil's Lake Basin as well as the northern Red River Valley of North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota on Thursday. Before the blizzard, though, we do anticipate a band of around 1 to perhaps 1.5 inches of snow to fall over much of the Devil's Lake Basin and into the northern half of the Red River Valley and into north central Minnesota. This will begin in Devil's Lake before dawn and then spread southeastward across the valley near sunrise and then into the Bemidji Park Rapids area by mid-morning. The snow will only last roughly about 3 to 5 hours. And after the snow does end, we do expect winds to increase from the north-northwest, gusting to 50 miles per hour at times. This new snow combined with already fallen snow on the ground will cause visibilities in rural areas to drop to less than 1/4 mile. The main time period will be late morning through Thursday afternoon. The area shaded in red, which does include Cando, Devil's Lake, New Rockford, Langdon, Grafton, Cavalier, Grand Forks, Crookston, Thief River Falls, and Roseau is the main impact area. Further south, in the non-shaded areas of the Southern Valley, some light snow will fall, but it is uncertain at this present time how much snow will fall and how bad the conditions will get during the afternoon tomorrow. Overall, the highlights of this upcoming event is first a ground blizzard that will affect rural areas of northeast North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. Start time about 9 a.m. in the Devil's Lake Basin and about noon in the northern valley in northwestern Minnesota. The end time will be by 6 p.m. So this ground blizzard will be relatively short-lived, but it will have a punch as winds will gust to 50 miles per hour at times, and wind chills will drop to 30 to 40 below zero. It is very important to understand that this is a ground blizzard for rural areas. If you live in town or in cities and you look outside and the weather appears okay, do not drive into the countryside, as visibilities will be greatly different than what you see in town. Further updates will be posted as needed Thursday morning. Thanks for listening. This has been Dan from the Weather Service in Grand Forks.